So in this next video, we're going to look at the alpha strobing. So what is alpha strobing? Alpha strobing is a video effect that makes the transparency or the alpha channel of a clip repeatedly change over time. For example, common use of alpha strobing can be flashing effect, which makes a clip appear and disappear, or goose or spirit effects by making a subject repeatedly fade in and fade out, or you can create a ghostly or supernatural appearance, and music video by synchronizing the strobing with the beat of the music for energetic visual effects, and also glitch effects, which combine alpha strobing with other effects like RGB shifts or noise or position to stimulate the digital grids there, and also transition enhancement. Add a quick strobing effect before or after transition to make a scene change more dramatic. So those are some of the common uses of alpha strobing. For example, imagine you have a text say warning. Now you want the text to be appear and disappear and appear and disappear. So that's what we're gonna do using alpha strobing. So here we have a little video clip that I created with Gemini, and we have a text that also created here already, which has the type, whereas the text is the warning. We want this warning to be flashing as it gives warning to something. So to do that, let's go up to Alpha Mouse and King and look at the alpha strobing and apply that too. Now, when we play this, you can see it's continue to give that warning. Sometimes you have just put this somewhere on the corner here or up there just to indicate there's a warning or something. If you want the intervals here, the more you go up, the slower become. The less you go down, like now it is 1, so you can see the strobing is quickly. But if we, so you can see the strobing is faster. So you can see the strobing is faster, but as we move the slide up, as the higher number, it becomes slower. Okay, so that's one example of using alpha strobing, and now you know how to use that. Thank you again for watching.